Welcome to the Made Easy channel. In this video, we'll delve into the world of building a RESTful API using Spring Boot and ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI-powered chatbot designed to engage in natural and human-like conversations. It is based on the state-of-the-art GPT 3.5 architecture, which has been trained on a vast amount of text data to understand and generate human language. So let's start. On the ChatGPT console, you can type Create Spring Boot project for CURD REST API using H2 database. Now ChatGPT will start generating the code. It will create almost all files, but some main files are missing. So we will ask ChatGPT to create it again. Asking to create pom.xml file. Now it started generating the pom.xml file. Go to the Eclipse to create Maven project. Copy the same group ID and artifact ID mentioned in pom.xml file to create project. Now copy the pom.xml file into Eclipse project. Create package into project using the same name mentioned in output. Copy all the generated classes into that package. If getting compile time errors regarding the packages, then resolve those. If any class is partially created, then we can ask ChatGPT to create it again. I am asking user class to create again with getters and setters method. Now copy the new code generated into that class. One more file is missing, that is application.java. You can ask ChatGPT to create it again. Copy the generated file into package. One more file is missing, that is application.properties. You can ask ChatGPT to create this file with H2 database configuration. Now copy the generated file into resource folder. Now we are ready to run our project. Let's go to the H2 database console and check everything is working or not. We are getting error while connecting to the database. Let's check the H2 database URL from logs. Copy the URL provided into the logs to connect with DB. You can see the user tabled successfully created into database. Now let's verify all the CURD operations using Postman. Check the base URL in the user controller class. In our case, it's /users. First, we will try get all users through API. It's working fine, it's returning 200. Now we will try to create a new user into database. Here we need to create the JSON fields as per the user class variables. User got created successfully into database. Now we will try the put operation. And it's also working fine. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.